Assalamu alaikum rahmatullah. My name is Mohammad Lablumia. I have barista experience. I know how to make espresso, americano, latte flat white, cappuccino, Spanish latte mocha V16, mocktail mojito. I am from Coffee Training Academy in Bangladesh.